Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Lucid Motors Incorporated easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Lucid Motors Incorporated, first, gather essential information about the company. Research Lucid Motors business model and product offerings. Understand their position in the electric vehicle market. Next, open an investment account with a reputable brokerage. Choose a platform that aligns with your investing style, whether it's a traditional broker or a mobile app. Complete the account registration with your personal information. Verify your identity as required by the brokerage. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to start investing. Choose the amount you wish to invest in Lucid Motors. Search for Lucid Motors stock symbol, which is LCID. Review the stock's current price and market performance. Make a decision on whether to buy shares at the current price or set a limit order for a preferred price. Confirm your order type, whether it's a market order or a limit order. Submit your order to purchase shares of Lucid Motors. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Stay informed about news and developments related to Lucid Motors. Consider setting alerts for stock price changes to stay updated. Review your overall investment strategy periodically. Adjust your holdings based on market conditions and your financial goals. Stay patient and focus on long-term growth while investing in Lucid Motors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.